Here's a large boulder field, a cliff. There's some interesting standing rocks up there, and there are some piles of rocks up there. At the base of it is this wall, which is in decent shape for a portion of it here. So I'm going to follow this wall a little bit along here and just kind of look at the different stones and the kind of stacking and orientation that we see. Here's a square. Here's a square stone. This section is fallen over and broken down. Here's a little kind of niche in here with 3 stones right in there in this little niche area. Here's this naturally shaped stone placed prominently to face out, and this is the northeast face of the wall. Okay, let's go over here. There's a little bit of quartz on this granite boulder here. This almost looks like a turtle here with the head and the shell. Here's a section that's broken, fallen down. Here's a quartz. Let's get some quartz in there. Here's this section here that has this arrangement of smaller stones here all the way up like this on top of this larger boulder down here. This section is damaged. A lot of the stones have fallen down over here. If you watch this video, please feel free to comment on what you see. Here's some quartz in here. Here's a really nice stacking in here with this little rock here, a long boulder here, and then there's some down in here. I've got to go around this tree. Here's this columnar. This is like a column here. It's like 2 columns almost. This here is a different type of rock. Not sure what. This is a nice square piece, almost diamond shaped. Here's a broken down section of the wall. I have to admit, I'm not taking the time I need to carefully look at what I'm seeing here. I'm concentrating more on filming this. The ground is very uneven. I'm falling off a little ledge here. Pick myself up. There's some squares here, one on top of another. It's an interesting square. Big tree damage. Surprised there isn't a lot more of that in this wall. Big old tree fell down, crushed it. Here's another section of the wall. And then this video is getting kind of long. I'm going to work towards concluding. There's a huge quartz boulder right there, placed prominently right on the top. Very big. Again, I welcome comments on what you're seeing here. I'm not a professional, I'm just an amateur, but I'm really interested in these stone walls and any potential lost history that's associated with them. This wall comes down here. And it comes down, and then there's a junk pile over here. It turns a corner, and there's a river down there, which you probably can't see in the video, but there is a river. And now if I come back here, and we'll look along the wall where it came out from the cliff. Okay, thank you.